Alright, so took one trade, spread over the 30-second. Idea what it was bearish narrative. Since yesterday, everybody's been saying that most likely bearish to news that was gonna happen over this week, and just news that's going around. Look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour was inversing yesterday. The 4 hour ended up inversing. We ended up rebalancing it today in the morning. So that obviously gave me an idea that we might be bearish. But what we would defy was right now at open, we're running towards this no week opening gap. ES ends up filling it, Nasdaq doesn't, so that already creates an SMT there. So I was kind of skeptical on taking anything because I wanted to see, obviously, Nasdaq end up taking that same thing. But Nasdaq failed, and we felt very hard. We freaking dumped. I don't know how many points this is. Roughly 115 points, 120 around there. So that's already putting a bear sentiment. Obviously, we'll sleep all this internal. We could just literally flip back to the upside, but I think we would have a bear sentiment because of that. ES already sleeps as high, Great Eagle has up here, but I mean, we're just creating bear structure. If it continue to dump, I think we dumped to yesterday's low, but obviously, yeah, I mean, I'm done. I don't care about that or this, but or we could honestly reverse it. To be honest, we've already swept this low. We're already taking internal liquidity. It's still another opening gap. The rules of it is it should come up here and fail. Like right now, that probably is enough general liquidity. So this can inverse or hit this 5 minute. Potentially, it's probably longs because I'm gonna sleep with this long. And isn't it? No, it's not some team. No, so yeah, they're both sleeping the same thing. So they're both correlating at this point. So obviously they want to continue to long, they long, but ES has a 5 minute right here, which is the same 5 minutes. So if Nasdaq would have sleep that same thing, that would be good. But yeah. But yeah, I took a 30-second short, bearish narrative, 4 hour, we inverse, respecting that 4 hour, 1 hour, we inverse internal right here, we're respecting that 1 hour after sleeping all this, we came down and rejected, 5 minute, 15 minute. So what I waited for was obviously if this would have inverse right here, would have taken a short towards this low here, because also we have a lot of generated liquidity down here. That would have been already a job, but I will see it inverse, so I was like, yeah, I'm not taking no short from this, it's freaking crazy. So what I normally just do is I wait for some sort of, it's a continuation but a reversal, whatever you want to call it, because a reversal is just we rebalance in short, but obviously I didn't just enter for the 5 minute. I could have, but I don't enter like that. So I waited for us to rebalance the whole range. We rebalance the whole range 5 and 15 minute, and so I go to a lower time frame and wait for some sort of inversion or some sort of structure flip there. But normally obviously I trade inversions now. Yeah, that's what I've been seeing working, and obviously worked out right now. 30-second inversion, stop around like 33 points. I was planning on risking the, well, I was thinking of risking this, so I'm like, I don't want to risk 40 points on a trade like this. It's Monday. I don't want to go high risk. I risk around 30, which is around $300, obviously, even. But, but yeah, 30 points, targeting 1 to 2, 68 points, a bit over a 2.9. But yeah, obviously, my job would be, what do you call it? The New York session low. But yeah. So 30-second short. All of the main conferences was a rebalance and then a conversion to the downside. I didn't use no SMT or none of that. Well, at least there wasn't really no SMT like to be basing off of or anything. At least not that I noticed. I mean, I could probably find one right now, but I wasn't basing anything off of an SMT. Okay, we're right here, bearish SMT right here. Yeah, but I wasn't looking at that. Rebalance to 5, 15 minute, 30-second inversion, targeting New York session low, 1 to 2, full TP. Oh, and also, I was gonna go break even here because I've been back. Well, I was saying back testing. I normally go break even when the candle closes, but in the actual sessions it's different. Obviously, because it's real. Oh, back testing is real, but also it's replay data. But the point is, I was gonna go break even here just because we tapped on it, and I was even looking at it from the trades I've been taking. We normally tap and then just go straight there. So this trade should have been break even. I was gonna go break even, but the order didn't work. For some reason, I pressed complete and it didn't work. So I'm like, oh, okay. So I went back up here, and the reason why I didn't close was because Obviously, it's 30 seconds, so every 30 seconds it does something. So the one minute came up, what's up this high, no SMT, but they're both correlating, so it's fine. So with that, and we get that the immediate reversal back down, and candle. So I was like, oh, okay, so I'll take a break even here. Oh, I was gonna manually close it. My stop would either be right here, I still had at the same point. But my idea was obviously if these candles in the reverse and get some sort of bullish candle, then yeah, okay, I'll just take the loss. But obviously we're showing rejections to ES is already still pointing short, so we're displacing lower. So these candles here should have been already what pushes us lower. We sweep the internal high, there's no need to continue going higher. There's no need to reach, there's literally no need. If it does it again, then it's just the market doing whatever it wants to do, and yeah, that's it. So these candles here should have been pushing down. So already when this candle was closing bearish, I was already gonna go break even, and then instantly this freaking just drops. This just drops for like 40 points, 36 points. Instantly go break even. There was no candle close. I mean, a candle closes below, but I won't break even before the candle closes. Because even if it's not a candle close, but if you get any sort of candle that freaking dumps, pumps, whatever, towards the direction, instantly go break even. Because that's obviously just showing the amount of volatility. So I break even at this candle, and then bang, just full TP. Yeah, that's trader recap for today. It's February 23rd, 2026.